Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Languages with Shadil Khan, your fastest and easiest way towards fluency.
Hello everyone, this is Shadil Khan. So before we start this lesson, it's my request that if you have not watched my previous lecture, so you must watch them in order to make your concepts more clear. And we are going to use many things what we have learned in our previous class, and it is a part of tengo ke, like I have to. Stress, when we give stress. So I am feeling cold, I have to go to my house. So try to translate this sentence. So the word for house is casa, and for cold it is frio, like frigging situation. You can remember like that. So I am feeling cold. So generally for this we use the word for I have cold, like when you have to say. It's again from my T5 lesson. So tengo, T-E-N-G-O, tengo. For cold we are going to write frio. I have to. So tengo que, T-E-N-G-O, tengo que ir, to go. We are going to write ir. Me. For house we are going to write casa, C-A-S-A, casa. So I have to go to bathroom, it's urgent. So you generally say it's urgent, I want to go to bathroom. But if you're a boy, you should definitely not go to this bathroom, you will go to this bathroom. So I took a picture of these two. So now let's look at the translation of this. So the word for bathroom is baño, enia or baño. So now we are going to translate this. So try to translate this on your own. So I think that you might have already translated. So let's look at the answer. I have is tengo que, T-E-N-G-O, tengo que. For to go we are going to write ir. To the bathroom, for to we are going to write a. For the we will write el, baño. So again we have that situation of vowels over here. So we are going to write al. Tengo que ir al baño. Es urgente. For it is we will write es. It is S from my first lesson. If you have not watched, you must go and watch that. Urgente. Es urgente. Maria has a test. She has to study a lot. So, although instead of looking at the translation, you might be looking at this beautiful girl. So, but first let's look at the translation, and later on you can look at that girl. So first, Maria has. So it is again a third form of conjugation. So Maria tiene, T-I-E, tiene. For a, we will write un. For test, it's like examen, E-X-A-M-E-N, examen. She has to study a lot. So again, tiene que, she has to, tiene que. Study is estudiar, E-S-T-U D-I-A-R, estudiar. For a lot, the word is mucho, M-U-C-H-O, mucho. She has to make a cake for the birthday. So again, she has to. So tiene que. For to make, we are going to write, she has is this, to make is hacer, a cake. Una, for a we will write una, and for cake is like tarta, T-A-R-T-A, tarta. Or we cannot, there is another word like pastel, P-A-S-T-E-L, pastel. For the birthday, so the word for birthday is cumpleaños. So the word cumpleaños, I am going to explain that and you would remember that. Para, for we will write para, and for the we will write el, and for birthday we are write cumple, C-U-M-P-L-E, cumpleaños, A-N-O-S, años. So the word años is years, Y-E-A-R-S, years, and cumple, you can remember that is complete year, like you celebrate your birthday when you complete 1 year. So that's why we generally said cumpleaños. Tienes que hacer una tarta para él. So if you have to say happy birthday, so happy birthday, the word for happy is feliz. So you will say feliz cumpleaños, that is happy birthday. And if you have to say Merry Christmas, so again you generally say Happy Christmas. So the word for Christmas is Navidad. Navidad. So the word will be Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. I have to work because it is for my boss. Tengo que. So again we are going to translate this. Tengo que. To work, it's a verb, is trabajar. Trabajar. Tengo que trabajar. For because we are going porque. Porque. For it is we are going to write es. For is para. Mi. Jefe. 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 This baby has to study business. Obviously. Because he's a great businessman. In that movie we have seen. So this baby. So this, for this we are going to write ese, this male, bebe, be, bebe. For has, it is again third form conjugation, tiene que. To study, estudiar. Business. Business is negocio. Negocio. As a noun, negocio. Like negotiation. What you generally do in a business, you negotiate that you want this product at this cost, you want to supply it. Like this way you can remember negocio. And the verb business is negociar. Negociar. It's an AR form of verb. So here it's a noun. So Rocky has to fight to defeat his enemy. So the word for Rocky has, so Rocky tiene, T-I-E-N-E, tiene. For the word fight is luchar, L-U-C-H-A-R, luchar, AR form of verb. To defeat, or we can say in order to defeat. So in order to, the word for that will be para. Defeat is vencer, V-E-N-C-E-R, vencer. You can remember this word as vanquish, when you vanquish someone. So from vanquish, vencer. So that is related. So his enemy. For his we will write su, and for enemy, enemigo. Enemigo. So here we have our last slide. I have to complete. So for I have, we have write tengo que. For complete, to complete is cumplir, C-U-M-P-L-I, cumplir. For this we are going to write ese. Project is proyecto, P-R-O-Y-E-C-T-O, proyecto. To save, I already told you it's salvar, but here we are going to use guardar, G-U-A-R-D-A-R, guardar. So this save and that save, it's like guarding something in order to keep it safe. And that salvar, S-A-L-V-A-R, salvar, is like rescue. If you are rescuing someone, like you are saving someone. And this guardar, is like you are saving something, you are completing something. So you can remember and differentiate between these two words. For my job is again work. You can use the word trabajar. Mi trabajo. For me will write mi trabajo. So that is the end of the slide. So if you have not liked and subscribed this channel and video, so it's my request that it takes a lot of effort to make a single video. Also please like, subscribe and share as much as possible. Thank you everyone.